Pencampwriaeth adran y Ceffyl chwaraeon sydd ynghylch y ceffylau ar hyn o bryd. A mae Wyn Morris o Sir Benfro, dyn ni wedi gwylio'r cyfan yma yn do. Mae yna stori eitha arbennig am fan hyn yn does.
Oes, mae'n stori da. I fi, tro ma nawr, mae doi mae'n perthyn yn seri. Mae ebol blwydd a'r ebol unan yn perthyn.
A'n brawd a chwaer cyfan.
Reit. Wel, i fi heddi, byddwn ni'n mynd am yr ebol.
Right, So, Wyn Morris yn tybio te'r ebol. Yr ebol gwryw fydd yn mynd â hi, ond cawn ni weld. Pedwar sydd gennym ni fan hyn o flaen y beiriad, sydd Mr John Paul. A'r gyntaf ail a'r naill a'r eboles blwydd sydd yn mynd â hi. A'r Geo-wobr yn mynd
i'r ring.
I'r
berchnogaeth
Ann Bassett. Born to Boogie. Y gyntaf a'r ail yn y dosbarth i'r rhai blwyddi yn adran y Ceffyl chwaraeon sydd yn mynd â hi fan hyn yn y Pencampwriaeth. Cosset Prospect, a Pencampwr a'r Geo-wobr yn mynd i Born to Boogie.
Presentation along with the champions, the boat. And the champion and reserve come from the yearling class. Championship sash is now awarded to our champion. It's Leander Walton.
Wel, mae'r prosglymau yn cael ei gyflwyno i'r pencampwr yma yn ynghylch y ceffylau. Pencampwr yn adran y Ceffyl chwaraeon. Mrs Leander Walton gyda Cosset Prospect. Enillydd yma llynedd ac yn dod nôl i'r ffair eto eleni i mynd ar Pencampwriaeth. Llongyfechiadau mawr i'r holl cysylltiadau.
Excellent competition here in Sporthouse, so we thank very much to Mr. John Poole from Weatherlock in Worcestershire for judging, and we trust that you enjoyed the occasion. Thank you, of course, to our sponsors for your continued sponsorship, exhibitors, stewards, and all concerned with the success of this morning's competition. Diolch yn fawr am y llwyddiant, a diolch yn arbennig i Breniad a'r nodlu. Also, we wish to welcome another sponsor, the Welsh Government. They have been sponsoring throughout the day. And we have Dennis Brown now putting the sash on the champion. Dennis is a multi-species Wales Senior Contract and Services Delivery Manager with the Welsh Government.
Well done. We're just on the camera there, so fantastic. But yeah, something like that. Well, you must be on top of the world. What a great day.
Amazing, just amazing. She's an amazing filly. Homebred, home produced, just there's no words.
How much work goes into getting these animals ready at this time of year?
Hours and hours. The fields are wet, the yard's wet, the stables are damp. She was wet when she got here because she'd sweat because it was quite mild in the lorry, so we got there.
It's all been worth it. Well, we look forward, hopefully we'll hear fantastic things about this filly in the future.
Thank you very much.
Well done.
Diolch yn fawr. Derek Brown ac Angela Crow, cynrychioli'r rhaglen. Many thanks to you. Once together, champion sport horse at this year's Winter Fair.
Am ffair a hanner I Mrs Leander Walton yn cymryd Pencampwriaeth adran y Ceffyl chwaraeon gyda Cosset Prospect.
By the yearling, born to boogie, exhibited by Anne Bassett from Dorset. Cosset Prospect, the champion, born to boogie, reserve champion, if you wish to update your catalogue. So, thank you very much for judging the excellent competition. Drosodd nawr I Al Williams, I sylwebu ar gyfer y mewnod